So Lord of Lemon, you get mind to give Nkechi money to come and claim that you give her belle. Are you serious? Do you have conscience, Lord of Lemon? So with all these things that you have been doing, you want to add another one? Is it because I decided not to show up? I decided not to say anything concerning your family. Let it not be like, okay, is it because you don't Lord of Lemon? That's why that you are carrying their family matter come online. I decided just to blog like other people. But you still don't want to understand. Do you think that it's only you that is on this online of a thing? What is the meaning of all this thing? If you don't want to marry Mary, it's not a big deal. Just sign the divorce paper and let this girl go. Uncle, even all of you, everybody are saying that Mary is no man, no man. Don't you know that Mary is from Yoruba girl before una go?
Time that Chiamaka they fear God. I bet me you they fear God. Ha! It could make person told one way person do, not told one way the person not do. The one way person not even know the person where you they measure at all. They fear God now. This will not be a good dog one Aisha where you say indefinite na your sister. Now so you and dogu give indefinite belle. Now so indefinite dogu they call you, may you bring back indefinite come back. Whereas you na Igbo, that one na Akwa Igbo. You know even know am. Not be waiting you take build your page. They fear God now. They fear God. Everything is not about make I make the money, make I make the view, make I make make I get the follower. But sometimes when they do something, let's think say if they do us this thing, whether we go like them. Why you go just they form something where you know say if they say you should bring evidence, you cannot bring it out. If they say this girl where you they call now, may you bring the produce the girl come and since you know this girl, you know Lemon reach a domot for a village. Go bring her come out now, you will not see it and produce that. They fear God now. So we want to tell people now, say Lord of Lemon don't go impregnate another girl or Lord of Lemon pay person money. Ha! Child. It's good me we told you one way the Lemon they do. The one would they see for high. Where they do, talk and not lie, not put sugar, not put maggi, not put salt for the injury where don't they grand already. It's not good. That one not they good. At least wetin Lemon don't do where would they see. Where everybody they see for me and you know say you not know Lemon reach house. If you post now you go see what they do. Don't go and before me any allegation on top of Lemon head because it's not good. Not they good. You say you are supporting Mary, but yet you are damaging the marriage more. You said you are supporting Mary, you are Mary's strong supporter, but yet you are causing more problem in that marriage. Are you not supporting the person? Are you not supporting the person now where you know you are causing more problem because you want view, you want to make money on social media, you want view, you want followers. So you want to just sit down, form allegation where you know say this is not truth. This is not truth. Joy always Lemon do it. That one ever come up for a neck. Now another one that you want to talk put again. Mother, fear God, I beg. Fear God. This is so wrong. Fear God. It is not right. Guys, make una not listen to this lie where they fly up and down. Lemon do not pregnant anybody, and Lemon do not pay anybody money to stand saying and so and give am belle. All these are lies. Marriage supporters, the moon stop. All these are lies. Talk the one you seen, the one where your eyes see, where they post. Not talk what you don't know. It is not good. And I'm not even blaming the people where they come, the comment section, they come, is it true? Lemon is this one, Lemon is that one. Blame. When you see where somebody is lying, you cannot stand there and ask the person on that comment section, can you defend what you are saying? If this person come out and say, bring this person that you said I paid money, can you able to produce the person? Can you defend this thing you are saying? Now, not feel right time for comment section, they ask the person question. Person go just come and formula and I go they accept. This is how you say Ndifineke get pregnant for Odogu, so Odogu give am belle. Ndifineke na your younger sister. Whereas you are lying. Now, what you take come out for this social media? Whereas you are lying, which is so bad. Stop. It's not good. Third one way you see, not put salt and maggi joiner is not good. And you say you are supporting Mary. How are you not supporting Mary? Where you are causing more damage in a marriage. So, guys, share this video, guys. Since you say you know Mary Lemon family for Nigeria, do make you bring all the details you know about Lemon family so that everybody go know. At least if Lemon call drag you come and say make you bring the evidence of everything where you bring come and you can be able to produce it if you know you are 100% sure of what you are saying. Guys, share this video. I remain your humble girl, Linda Gist TV. Thank you so much, guys. You both should be very careful. Make una stop because na born pikin. Make una stop. No good. Let una see person pikin. No matter what, na human being na e be. No matter what, na person born am. Stop all this allegation. I beg you people in the name of God. Guys, share this video when you come across this video. If you have not followed this my page, follow this my page for more video, guys. I remain your humble girl, Linda Gist TV. Thank you, my people.